Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 3LT, the bomb. This one's got a lot of options on it, and it's the perfect color, that white with black, and the black accents are everywhere, including that nice big Stage 2 rear spoiler. It's got the NPP performance exhaust as part of the Z51 package, which would also include the dry sump oil, cooler on the differential, cooler on the transmission, larger brakes, larger suspension, and stabilizer bars. This one also has the Stingray trunk mat and the Stingray marketed floor mats in the front. This is of course your roof, which you'll see pictures of it with the roof on. I just wanted to leave it off so that you could see the interior better. It's got the carbon flash accents on the air intakes there. It's got the cargo area cover and the cargo net. And again, the Stage 2 spoiler that you see there, just beauty. What a great looking car. It's got the Z51 wheels with the cross-cut rotors, as well as the Z51 brake calipers. Here is again your carbon flash metallic on that accent there, and it's got extra little scoops there to make it look like a Grand Sport, which is a nice little added feature. As well as the side skirts that you'll see there. It's got the competition seats in it, which have the carbon fiber up here. So they're a very light seat. When you see them from the back, they're a good looking seat also. It's got the Alcantara inserts in it, lumbar support, as well as side bolster support down there, which is adjustable. Let me climb in here, have a look in the door frame. A really clean, tidy car. The books are with it, the wheel lock is there, all good there. And it's got heated and cooled seats right there. Bose sound system with the 9-speaker system. It's got nice baseball stitching in the door. Up here, it's got the Alcantara on here and here, so that's awesome. And then it's got a carbon fiber dash also. So let me carry on and go to the other side here. I love the black carbon flash mirrors and then the black side fins as an accent. That's a great look altogether, isn't it? Here's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues, nice painted calipers. We are going to paint the rotors. We haven't done that yet. Under the hood is 455 to 460 horsepower with the NPP performance exhaust. It's got a Stingray hood mat as well that's been added. Nice car, lots of features on this. And then it's got the carbon flash metallic hood stripe, just the center stripe. That's a really good look. And there's your front splitter. Folks, that front splitter got damaged in shipment. We've ordered a new one and it'll be in. That'll replace it. You can see if you look, there's a couple of little chips there out of it. Don't worry about it. We're just going to replace it, put a brand new one on. Again, carbon flash painted. So over here is your other wheel. No curb rash, no issues. The tires are borderline on the front, so we're going to put, they pass, but we're not good enough for us. So we're going to put brand new Michelin Pilot Super Sports. They're due in a couple of days also. So here's your back wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Michelin Pilot Super Sports there as well. The Stingray door sill. Over here is your driver memory package, Bose sound system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors over here, heads-up display, and your carbon fiber dash that you see there. Again, it's got the competition GT seats with the carbon fiber in them as well, and then the high bolsters and the adjustable bolsters, side bolsters, and adjustable lumbar support. There's your Stingray floor mats there, and the Alcantara steering wheel needs cleaning. Haven't gotten to that yet. We sure will, don't you worry, with proper Alcantara cleaner. So let's fire this one up. Nice. So over here we've got home. Let's go to here. Well, let's start up here. 38,359 kilometers. We've got rev match over here. Automatic headlamps. There's your heads-up display, which if I move it up and down, you should be able to see it. There it is there. So we'll just turn it up so that you can see it a little brighter. Move it down a little bit there. You can see it probably more clearly there. And you can change the pages, do a bunch of different things, have some fun. Okay, so here's our, let me just turn this fan down. It's got factory navigation. We'll just go to home, and I want to show you something else here. When we go, PDR also. When we go to settings, then we go here to driving mode, we go to engine sound management, and it's in stealth mode right now, which is why it didn't make a lot of noise when it started up there. So here is track mode. So that's a different sound. That's way better. There's your 7-speed manual transmission with the Alcantara boot and shifter. Here's your mode selector here, electric brake there. This is Alcantara here as well. Under here you've got a line in and USB and a power outlet. This one opens up here and it's got a USB inside it. And listen to that. Wow, that is amazing. So, as I climb out, have a look in the door frames there. Good looking car. See it from the front here. That is a beast, man. That is just a great looking car. Again, that's a Z51 with a 3LT. The nice side skirts and ground effects kit is just amazing. And then the stage 2 spoiler on the back, awesome. The nice black wheels with the black everywhere else, just a great combination. Listen to that. Amazing car. And down the side. So no damage, no marks, no issues other than that front spoiler, which we're going to change for you. And we'll paint those caliper rotors up and put 2 new front tires on it. They're on their way in. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 3LT competition. What a car. Blacked out Stingray model, everything. So it's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.